Two boys. Two Addie. Two Sherry. And two birthday. And two Mandy. Two old cousins. Oh, Harry. Two big. Two red. And two pie. Two book. Is that awesome? I don't know that.
That's too spotty.
That's your body.
Jason, that's not nice. Give it back to Naima. You read this book.
I don't want it. I don't want it. Two body. Two. What?
Too blue.
Two blue.
Too spotty again.
Two body.
Get the book, Jason. Stop. Ima's reading.
Two reading. Two body. Two body. And two reading. And two spelling. And what card? And what card? Two early. Two
Too bumpy.
Robin.
Too leafy.
Two Wilson.
What do you think? Too lumpy.
Two Robbie.
You have to read it. I want you to read it.
Lady.
Keep going. You read it.
I don't know.
Here.
Do hat.
The end.